Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. This time I'm gonna be repairing this Samsung phone. As you can see, it turns on, but it has some problems, and I believe it's because of the dirt that it has inside. I'm gonna turn the phone off. Okay, so I should unlock it first and then close it. Okay, so I'm gonna take the back cover off. It just snaps with my fingers, and as you can see the dirt here. I'm gonna clean that after I disassemble it. Now I'm gonna take the battery out, and now I have just 3 screws to remove. One here, and one here. So I'm gonna take them apart. I'm gonna be back after I have removed all of them. Okay, I finished removing all of the screws and I put them here, so I will not lose them. I'm gonna clean here a little bit. Okay, now to open the phone you just have to pry the two halves apart. The face should come off. Here we have the motherboard attached to the front of the phone. So I can see a little bit of dirt and some of them is on my finger. And now I'm gonna take the motherboard off and clean that too. So let's see, I should just lift this off. This should be enough. I have a little cable here and the rubber protection. What I do is I'm gently prying it out. Okay, as you hear the pop, now the motherboard should be loose. Okay, maybe just one more pop here. Yeah, that's it. Okay, the motherboard is out, as you can see right here. And what I have is the face with the cable, which I can just push out. Have to clean this too. Here already you can see it's a lot of dirt here. Okay, so I'm gonna start by taking a cotton pad and some alcohol. Okay guys, I forgot to show you, so now the phone is fully functional. And for those of you who want to see, this is the amount of dirt that I have put out, that I'll get out of the phone. As you can see, it was quite dirty. So hope you enjoyed the video, so see you next time.